Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and the verification method. This saves time. Open Hsbc. COM and tap Personal Banking, then sign on. Enter your customer number and memorable information exactly as registered. Mismatches lock you out. Once done, the site will request a one-time passcode. Use the Hsbc Mobile Authenticator app or accept the SMS code on your registered phone. Make sure your device has signal and the correct time. Inaccurate time can break token generation. Now you're signed in and ready for the next steps. Once signed in, navigate the dashboard to choose the account tile and review balance and transactions. To send money, click Pay or Transfer, pick a linked payee or add a new one. Enter amount, choose immediate or scheduled date, and fill the reference field so you track payments. When adding a new payee, Hsbc will require verification. Either a small test deposit or a security code sent to your device. This prevents fraud. Make sure to confirm the details before authorizing to avoid errors. Finish by adjusting profile and security. Update your contact details, enable alerts for large transactions, and set sensible daily transfer limits. Once done, review saved payees and statement delivery preferences. If you encounter problems, incorrect passcodes, blocked login, or missing SMS, first try the Forgot Details workflow to reset credentials. If that fails, contact Hsbc support and verify your identity with ID and account info. Keep the Authenticator app backed up and two-factor methods current to prevent recurring access issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.